Hello everyone, welcome to the Pro Founder Startup episode. So this is my first part of today. So I'm gonna just show you what's looking like startup Pro Founder setup and how I can integrate my technology. And so just today I just talk about all the things like how you can set up your code base, right? Like in production level. So just I give you my rough project and just I'm trying to make it in production level. So already I complete my back end, my front end. And so first I'm gonna show you the UI so you can understand what I'm trying to build. So let's see. So you can see this is my rough project. So it's kind of like social media type platform. So I'm building a social media type platform. It's called Makeable, and you can see it's pretty much similar to YouTube structure, and you can see the card. But now I'm going to make it almost in production level. So just I fetched this type of data. It's a rough data, and you can see there is a four main page like home page. So this is my home page, and then a discovery page, so where people can search. So you can explore by emotion, maybe topics, maybe categories, maybe series, maybe tags, and many more. Like also my platform is all about two part. One is audios and other is podcast. So if people want to only listen to audios, so they can navigate to audios, and on the other side also podcast. And let's say I want to go, I want to search uh, by emotion. So if I click on it, so I can navigate the other page. So it's called you can see the emotion, and it's a like emotional list. If I click on it, so if is there any document or maybe any audio, so I can see. Let's see. So there is a one audio. So about emotion, like you can see what is for broken. So I can also back to the emotion page. Then yeah, so this type of UI I just try to achieve, and pretty much within 10 days or 15 days I'm gonna make it happen. But as you guys know, I'm from nothing, so just I'm learning, I'm building, and I'm trying to show you what's look like actually what's looks like Pro Founder. So so the only things I can show you this type of UI, and I'm pretty sure I'll show you the main UI. So yeah, and this is my this would be my like profile page, and it's now it's ugly, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it production level. And then it's a library also. Now it's not looking good, but this is the I want to show you. But my main goal to actually to make you understand like the file structure, actually what look like the production level file structure like. So I already I already structure all the folder. So this is my root folder. So you can see this is my root folder, and it's a client code, which means front end code. Okay, so there is all my code, all the file structure inside the source, and this is app. It's like so there is a tree like app route. So all the routes you can see, this is my route page, like all the routes, like maybe explore, what you slide, update users. So this is called app routes. So I separate all code in modular form, and this is what layout. Which means I can only show you only like just I only show you login page as sign up page, and then main layout all the main page, right? This is my app, and yeah, so this is, and then the app.jx, so I can integrate all the codes. So now you can see app.js is very clean, and that's the things I want to, right? And so this is my app, then asset. uh, so far there is no asset, but in future that definitely I'm going to add a lot of things inside it. And there is a component, like you can see. So the component, the all the reusable code, so I can use multiple times in different, component, or different page. So there is a, like, you can see that there is a four component, like audio card grid, and then content card grid, new release, podcast card grid, and many more, right? So this is another, folder, explore, inside component. So inside explore there is a two file, explore grid content, explore grid section, and yeah, and inside component also there is other two file, header.js, navigator bar. All right, so this is my component. And then other is, features. Features mean all related code, like if, like, there is a page, okay, so explore home, library, profile. So all the, related, features I just create here inside features folder. So you can see the explore home, profile. Okay, so so it's very easy to module, or because so you can integrate very easily, and your main page must be clean. That's why I create features and then a page. So as I told you, there are four page, like here. Now it's five, but audio it's kind of fake. But in future I'm gonna remove it. So there is a four page: home, explore, library, profile. Okay, so let's call a page, and then store. The store means here I'm just managing my state with help of, Redux toolkits. That's why it's a store. And then I'm also, like, it's a structure very pretty much, very well defined. So you can see API. So what is API? Search API, user API, right? And then slice. So like what you slice, search slice, user slice. So I can show you the code. Let's say API. What is API? So you can see, how can I, structure, and then easily I can, import audio slice, right? So this is my, code. This is the production level code, and then I can, import all the reducer, okay, from, slice. And this is my code base. I hope you guys understand the file structure. It's very important, right? To, like, like to creating a basic project and then to make it, a production level. It's very tough. Tough means, you have to module everything. Otherwise, um, in future, other developer, if they see their code, they're gonna confuse. So not let them confuse. So before, yeah, to do that, you can, like, make sure my code base will be more clean, more readable, and that's what it is, right? So this video is all about my, code structure, and I hope guys you understand the basic, fundamental things, the file structure, and actually what's look like, the basic UI.